Hi, I'm Selena Blankenship. I'm 59 years old and I'm an Assistant Superintendent of HR for a school system here in Georgia. I'm a wife, a mother of 3, and a grandmother of 1. And I joined the first 30-day challenge for me late last year. And since I joined, I've lost a total of 11 pounds. 6 of those came when I most recently joined the Little Black Dress Challenge. And I'm really proud and happy of where this is taking me. My goals when I started were really simple. I wanted to feel healthy and strong and have more energy. And I fully intend to live well into my 80s or 90s. And I knew if I wanted to do that and still be fit and active, I needed to start now doing something about it. So CleanFoodCrush really has made this journey very easy and simple. I really love the support that you get in the community on Facebook, and I think most important, I really love the recipes. They're just delicious, and I'm kind of a foodie at heart, so having good food that's very tasty is important to me. And thanks to CleanFoodCrush, I have made a good bit of progress towards my goals. I'm not quite where I want to be yet, but I'm well on my way. So I would encourage you to join the CleanFoodCrush challenge and start your journey towards a healthier, happier, fitter you.